Welcome back, beautiful family. Welcome to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you some very delicious cupcakes. And they're just not any kind of cupcakes. They're made with condensed milk. These cupcakes come out amazing. I know you guys are going to love them. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, vanilla, 4 eggs, unsalted butter, a condensed milk, and of course, I have the molds here. I have a recycled tuna mold, the large ones. You could use these, you could wash them in soapy water and then put water to boil, add a tablespoon of vinegar, and then put them in there and disinfect them. Of course, if you throw them away, well, there's another option. You could buy the molds for extra large cupcakes in Amazon. And of course, you'll be ready to make these delicious and amazing condensed milk cupcakes that I know you guys are going to love. So let's get started. I want to start with my unsalted butter. Remember to take the butter out of the refrigerator at least 2 hours before baking. I'm adding the vanilla extract, the homemade vanilla extract that you have on my channel, the condensed milk, and then I am going to incorporate everything completely for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that everything is incorporated. I have my 4 eggs here at room temperature, and I'm just going to add them and incorporate them with the rest of the liquids. These cupcakes come out so fluffy and tender, and the taste amazing. I have all the purpose flour, the baking powder, a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix it just a little bit, and then I'm going to put it through a sifter. Remember, this part is very important because you want to make sure that you sift all your dry ingredients so there is no lumps and the cupcakes come out amazing. As you could see the little balls on the bottom, and you could destroy them with your fingers and put them through. Now I'm just going to incorporate the dry with the wet, and the mixture, it's not runny. Let me show you. This is exactly how the mixture should be. And I have the homemade non-stick baking cream. This one, you already have it on my channel. This cream is amazing to make muffins, to make cakes, you name it. I have 2 cans recycled of tuna, and I have one that I bought at Amazon. The same size, everything totally the same. And here I'm going to add the miracle cream. I call it miracle cream because really when you get the muffins or the cupcakes out, they come out so easily. Look at this. If you don't want to recycle your tuna cans, well, of course, you could go ahead and go to Amazon and order them. They have the same size. This is the one I bought at Amazon. And look at it. It's the same size. I'm sure that they're both going to give us the beautiful cupcakes, golden brown. Okay, well, these are ready. Don't forget, when you add your batter, don't add the batter all the way to the top, because then when they start cooking, they're going to overflow. Always leave a space on the top of your baking dish, just like this. Look at this. Always leave this little space on the top. And here I am ready to get and fill all these cans. Remember, I have about 5 cans of recycled tuna and 1 that I bought at Amazon. Let's recycle. Remember, when you recycle, you wash them with warm water, soapy water, and then you put water to boil and you add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. That's how you disinfect the tuna cans. And here I have the crumble mixture. I have the all-purpose flour, the granulated sugar, the pinch of salt, and the unsalted butter. The reason that you use unsalted butter is to make sure that you know how much salt your family is taking. That's why when you bake, you always use unsalted butter. Okay, now with the same fork, I'm just gonna move it around. I'm not gonna use my hands. I'm not gonna use my fingers. I'm just gonna use the fork until it starts getting really nice and crumble and there's no all-purpose flour on the bottom. That's very important. You wanna make sure that there's no flour on the bottom of this cup. Look at this. If there's still a little bit of flour, just continue with your fork. Continue with the fork until all the mixture is really crumbly and there is no flour at all. And then just spoon in right on top. You decide how much, but usually 1 tablespoon should be enough. Now I have preheated my oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. Remember, every oven is different. Always do the test with the little stick, and if it comes out clean, with the toothpick, and if it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Okay, I have preheated my oven. I'm going to put them in here, and I'll see you back in about 20 minutes. Time goes by so fast. Now I am ready to make the test. It came out clean and the cupcakes are ready. These cupcakes with the condensed milk really come out really fluffy. The taste is amazing. Look at this. Look how easy it is to remove them from the mold. And look how soft and fluffy the cupcake is from the inside. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy this cupcake with coffee or hot chocolate. You decide. I'm ready for coffee time. Look how soft it is. I'm ready for the presentation. See you in a bit. My friends, I am done with this recipe. Look at this. These condensed milk cupcakes came out crispy from the outside, from the very top, nice and crispy, but from the inside, really soft, spongy, and the flavor of the condensed milk, just perfection. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Look at this. Look how spongy it is. Well, excuse me. Just perfection. Cupcakes come out very soft, very tender, very spongy from the inside, but yet nice and crispy from the outside. I am sure you guys are going to love this recipe. With the cream I added on the molds, just perfection. They came out very easily. I recommend you that cream, and I already have it on my channel. I hope you guys make it. There's no need of buying sprays to spray your baking dish. There's no need to go through the hassle and adding butter or adding lard and then adding the all-purpose flour. You have everything in one single container. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, with your relatives in social media, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Thank you for sharing my recipes. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.